Ang recipe po natin ngayon ay milk tea. Papakita po ng aking anak kung paano po gumawa ng milk tea.
Hello guys, my name is Eunice Magalo from Sixth Place Pasta. Today, I'm going to make a vlog. How to make milk tea. Famous milk tea that you buy in Macau Imperial or in Philippines. Now, let's do it. The reason why I make milk tea because this summer, we need to be fresh and we need something cold for today. Even though we were born in quarantine, we need something to eat or a snack. This is the freshly boiled black tea. Now, I will strain the black tea into the strainer. We have some more excess. Some freshly boiled black tea. What's the ingredients in the milk tea? We have air-snowy tapioca pearl, sugar, water. Yes, it should be water. Or we have black tea or any kind of tea, and creamer or milk. These are the ingredients for our milk. Done. First, we're gonna make tapioca pearls. First, we need to put water in the casserole. Water should be 1 liter, or it depends on the tapioca pearls. Then, let it boil. Let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Done. Now it's already boiled. Now, second, you just need to put the tapioca pearls into the boiled water. Slowly. And after, we're gonna mix it. When the color is brownish, you need to let it simmer. Okay. Let it simmer for about 2 or 3 minutes. We will mix this occasionally until and chewy. Now, let us take a look at the tapioca pearls. As you can see, it's now slimy. Now we can put the sugar. Just a little bit of sugar, but it depends on your taste. Mix the tapioca until the sugar was dissolved in the tapioca pearl. The next step is we gotta put the creamer to the hot water. Should be careful because it's hot. This is very hot. We're going to dissolve the creamer and the hot water together. Slowly. Now we have all the ingredients here. We have the boiled tea, the tapioca pearl, the creamer, and some eggs. Let's make milk tea. Now, let's get putting up. Then, swirl it. This is mostly they do for in the milk tea. Second, put ice. Third, put some boiled tea. Lastly, creamer or milk. Give it a little stir. Here we have it, some milk. Tastes like milk from a cow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye!
Shoutout po kay Ma'am Melissa Lim. Ito po ang ginawa ni Samantha para maparoon niyo po